hot, but it is also June 1st, and you know what that means? First day of hurricane season. Oh no, I don't want to talk about it, but we must.
Yeah. We must, but here we go. And you know, now's the time to get ready and to prepare, right? And we've already had two named storms. We had Tropical Storm Arthur and Tropical Storm Bertha, and now we're monitoring another disturbance. But you know, forecasters over at NOAA and also Colorado State University, they're expecting an above average season, forecasting 13 to 19 named storms. NOAA is expecting 6 to 10 hurricanes, of which 3 to 6 could become major hurricanes. And the folks over at Colorado State University are forecasting 16 named storms, 8 hurricanes, of which 4 could become major hurricanes. Keep in mind, on average, we see 12 named storms, 6 hurricanes, and 3 major hurricanes. And, you know, right now we are taking a look at this disturbance in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. What's interesting about it is that it actually was an eastern Pacific tropical storm named Amanda. And now we're looking at the remnants that are just lingering over near the Guatemala-Yucatan border and dumping heavy rain there. And as it lifts slowly to the north, we'll have to keep a close eye on it because the Hurricane Center is giving it a high potential of redeveloping into a tropical depression or potentially tropical storm. Cristobal is the next name on the list, the sea name for the Atlantic season. Certainly a lot of moisture in the Gulf, and we will start to see some of that moisture in addition to a frontal boundary that will enhance our rain chances the next few days. So today looks to be our final mainly dry day. The rain chances are low. Looking at our live view from our Broward camera in Fort Lauderdale, lots of sunshine, and I'm feeling the heat out here in my backyard because the sun is shining bright and it is steamy too. Key West looking gorgeous. Hey, bright blue skies. Yeah, I know you're all getting ready to reopen there. And the radar is quiet right now. We've had a few showers across the Keys earlier, but now most of them are moving offshore. And once again today, just like we've seen the past few days, with that east breeze in place, not only at the surface, but that onshore flow as well in the mid to upper levels, the storms that develop will be carried inland and to the west coast, the Gulf Coast of the peninsula. Temperatures heating up, upper 80s and low 90s right now, but that's not all. When you factor in that high humidity, it feels like the upper 90s. It feels close to 100 in Key West, and I can tell you, you're going to need to drink a lot of water. I just took a sip of water myself because as I was out here in the middle of the day, not a good time to be outside, but you want to be safe and stay hydrated. Highs climbing to around 89 today, and there could be passing showers, most of them across the Keys. Future radar is showing that to be the case. In the afternoon, you could see some more rain, especially around Key West, but look at how the Gulf Coast around Fort Myers, Naples, Sarasota are going to be dealing with a lot of that thunderstorm activity, while the East Coast is looking pretty quiet as we get into the evening hours. So if you're headed to the interior sections or the Everglades or the West Coast, just keep that in mind. For boaters, right now winds out of the east 5 to 50 knots, seas 2 to 3, and a moderate chop on the bays. Tonight, warm and muggy with a few showers and the upper 70s. So look at the moisture forecast. We're seeing deep moisture settling in, especially as we get into the middle of the week, Wednesday and into Thursday. That's when our rain chances will be the highest. So your extended forecast is showing that you're going to need your umbrellas the next few days. Again, especially by the middle of the week, the breeze will be building too and highs will be in the upper 80s. So we will see a better chance of wet weather here as we head into especially Wednesday and Thursday, and even into the weekend looking unsettled with the upper 80s and low 90s, Maribel.